Okay, good morning class. No, I hope you are good and let's continue praying para sa ato ang safety. Tungod kay wala man tayo laing mahimo sa pagkakaroon, no, we have to pray for our safety. So, ang ato ang klase karon is online lang sa ta, no, kay kina-check pa man ang ato ang mga building para mas mahimong safe jud ta, no, kung magklase na ta. Maybe this coming Wednesday or Thursday. So, we will have our face-to-face. Pero sa karon, no? So, online lang sa ato ang klase. And then, since discuss naman ta last time about the Ten Commandments, no? So, I will just do some review, no, for our discussion about the Ten Commandments. Then afterwards, no, I will give you some activities para na-upload mo performance task this afternoon, no, na may buhaton diya sa inyo ang tagsa-tagsa ka panimalay. Okay, so 10 commandments, no, our topic for murag lesson 8, no, our topic in lesson 8 is about the 10 commandments. So 10 commandments are also known as Decalogue, no. Asa kay nagikan nga word ang Decalogue, no? It is from the Greek words, no? So deca means 10, logos means words, equivalent to 10 words. So when we say Decalogue, so ato ang nahibalaan is 10 words, no? From the Greek word deca and logos, 10 word. Okay, so according to CFC 864, this is a sort of review. 10 commandments are moral imperatives of how to love others and to follow Christ on command to love. It means the 10 commandments are our guides, no, on how to live morally and how to love God and others. When we say imperatives, class mo, murabag, it is our guide, no? Murabag nagaguide sa ato ano kung unsa ato ang buhaton. Okay? So where did God reveal the 10 commandments? No? So God revealed the 10 commandments at Mount Sinai, no? So we all know, no, we already know that these 10 commandments are written with the finger of God. No, ang Ginoo mismo ang nagsulat niya, it is not just made by human hand but the hand of God. So according to Exodus chapter 24 verse 12, no, so when Moses, no, after na receive ni Moses ang 10 commandments, so nibaba siya, no, so at the foot of the mountain, so Moses broke the original tablet. Kaya nga naman, ang mga Israelites, no, they are making some idols, no, the golden calf. So, Moses already reminded them, no, nga, kining mga rebulto, kining idolatry is dili ni siya maayo, no, tungod kay masuko ang Ginoo ni ani. Pero, wala sila naminaw. So, that is why Moses, no, originally broke, no, the tablet nga nakasulat dito ang 10 commandments nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa iya. Then in Exodus chapter 32 verse 19, God commanded Moses to cut 2 tables of stone like the former ones where he could write anew the 10 words. Again, no, God commanded Moses to cut 2 tablets of stone like the former ones where he could write anew the 10 commandments. Take note, no, write anew, it means gikan dito sa old nga nabuak ni Moses katong bag-o nga gisulat sa Ginoo is similar lang, no, walay na change. So broken covenant was renewed. Then in Exodus chapter 25 verse 10, no, 10 to 22, so the new covenant were placed in the ark of the covenant, no. So what is it signified, though? 10 commandments are placed in the ark of the covenant to signify the role as divine law, Also to illustrate the covenant relationship between God and His people, no, to emphasize the sacredness of God's commandments and to highlight the unity of worship and moral living. So mo din na nga ang Ten Commandments is gi-place sa Ark of the Covenant. Now, no, so I will give to you the Ten Commandments. First, I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. The second one, you shall not use the name of the Lord your God in vain. Third, remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Then next, honor your father and mother. You shall not kill. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife. You shall not covet your neighbor's goat. No? So that is the Ten Commandments. And accordingly, no, Jesus Christ summarized these Ten Commandments into two. First, no, the first, second, third commandment, no, referring to our love for God. Ngayon naman, kung mabantayan ninyo, ang pinakauna o ikatulong nga ikauna, ikaduha o ikatulong nga commandments is more on God, no? About the law of God, no? So remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy, no? You shall not use the name of the Lord your God in vain. I am the Lord your God. You shall have no other gods before me. So mabantayan na to, no? More on uh, ang these three A's, more on siya sa ato ang paghigugma ngadto sa Ginoo. And the second one, no, is refers to our love for our neighbor, no. So from 4 no to 10, so mo na ang nag-refer for our love to our neighbor. So honor your father and mother. You shall not kill. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. You shall not covet your neighbor's wife. You shall not covet your neighbor's goods. So all of this refers to our love for our neighbors. So what is the significance of the Ten Commandments? No? So basically, they are essential for guiding ethical behavior and forming a well-informed conscience as they encapsulate the principles of love for God and neighbor. So basically, the Ten Commandments is essential because it forms our conscience, no? So it forms our conscience as they encapsulate the principles of love for God and our neighbor, no? So giingon pagigay na it is a moral imperatives that guides us, especially in loving God and our neighbor. Okay, so moto ang ato ang discussion last meeting, no? We discussed the Ten Commandments, also known as Decalogue, no? From the Greek word deca and logos, it means 10 words. Okay, so asa gihatag sa Ginoo ang Ten Commandments at Mount Sinai, no? Kinsa ang gihatagan si Moses. Okay? So I think that's the very important information, no, na atong kinahanglan mahibal-an in our discussion about the Ten Commandments. So nganong gihatag? Because it serves as our moral imperatives, no? So mura bag it is a set of guides nga magtabang sa toa to do good, to love God, and to love our neighbor. Okay, so now I have question for you. I think this is just a very simple question, no, for me to know if you really understand our lessons, since in our previous uh, sessions na discuss naman nato ni, no. So assessment lang ni siya. Okay, so direction: which of the 10 commandments do you obey the most because it helps you become a loving person? Again, the question is, which of the 10 commandments do you obey the most because it helps you become a loving person, and why? No? Choose among the 10 commandments and answer why. So, muna ang ato ang activities for this afternoon. And also don't forget to no, siguro dili man mo ka practice by group, pero maybe no, you can just communicate one another on how you present our group activity next meeting. Di ba naman tayo activity nga gihatag sa inyo ha? So sige lang no, just connect to one another nya. Pag sabot-sabot lang mo sa inyo ang buhaton na tong activities. Now we will present this one in our next meeting, maybe Thursday or Friday. Okay? So I think that's all, no? Just comment below the answer, no? Ang answer sa akong question this after no. I-comment lang to ninyo sa baba sa ato ang YouTube channel para ma-check na ko inyong attendance. May balaan ako na nagtan-aw mo sa to ang sa akong video nga gisend sa YouTube. And I think that's all for this afternoon. Keep safe everyone, and let's continue praying, no? Sa pagampo ra man gyud atong madangpan, no, sa kanunay o kining panabang sa ato ang inahan nga si Birhen Maria. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.